Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Today's our last day of online learning. And before I go any further, I just want to stop and say it's been a really awesome year with all of you. I know it wasn't like any of us expected it to be, but um, it's been really fun, especially the times we had in person, but then still being able to stay in touch with a lot of you throughout the past couple months. And I just want to say I'll miss all of you, especially those of you that aren't going to be coming back next year. It's kind of sad realizing I'm not going to see you again in person. So yeah, just hope you all do well if that's what your plan is to not come back. But if you are coming back, just remember I'm always there for you still, and you can come by and say hi. Um, so don't hesitate to do that before school or after school. So just wanted to say that. Join my office hours and we can talk more and kind of actually say goodbye and stuff. But it's kind of, I don't know, just kind of hit me this week that it's like it's our last week and I'm not going to see a lot of you for at least until next year and maybe not again if you're going to a different school. So I'll miss all of you and hope you all have a great summer. But come talk to me during my office hours. I'm going to be doing that once per week, as you saw in the survey as well, which I'll send an email out about later. But we'll still be staying in touch if you have a device you could communicate on. All right. So remember, you're bringing in your Chromebooks tomorrow. So today's going to be your last online learning day. For Thursday and Friday, this is what's expected of you. Not going to have online learning, but it's expected that you're still reading for 30 minutes per day and share it with somebody. It can be one of these options. Um, and sorry, I don't know what that is. Otherwise, just join my office hours, say bye. If a lot of us are there, we can do something fun, but it'd be nice to see you. And take this end of the year survey if you haven't done that yet. 38 of you have so far, so we're still missing more than half. So try to do that if you can today. And then submit or share your summative projects. So most of you, or not most of you, a lot of you have, but make sure that you're all doing that. If you have it done and don't share with me or submit it, I'll never know and won't be able to grade it. I'm grading these today and tomorrow, so you need to make sure they get submitted today. And if you haven't presented or made a presentation video, you can do that today. Some of you are presenting in my office hours today, and if you haven't signed up but you still want to, you can join and present. Just so you don't have the email. You can just join today and do that. All right, that's all for today. Um, Once again, I'll miss you all, and I hope you all have a great summer. And I'm always here for you. So if you need things over the summer, just email me. Schoology message, I'll be checking office hours, and in person next year as well when we're back in school. All right, bye everybody.